Hello guys and gals, welcome to this tutorial where I teach you how to handle multiple taps in your mobile games. If you're having a problem finding out which input touch is for the UI and which is for the screen, this video is made for you. I ran into this problem where I had buttons on the screen players could tap and move to move around, and they could drag on the screen to rotate the camera. Because the players could tap the UI first and then the game, or vice versa, I needed a way to get the right tap index to handle the inputs. I didn't need to worry about handling the UI buttons because the event system took care of that for me already. I just needed to find which tap was outside the UI so I could determine the right tap index to rotate the camera. This function determines whether they've tapped the UI object and returns true if so. If it's not a UI, then it's the touch we want. Voila! Create a new function called getTouchIndex in your script. Here's the code. It looks through all the touches and sets the index to the first tap it finds that it's not a UI object. Call it from the update function. Now you have the touch index you need to handle the gameplay mechanics like rotate the camera, fire a projectile, or whatever your big heart desires. You can get the source code for this on my GitHub. Hopefully that solves your problem. If you like these short and informative videos that don't waste your time, give a like and a thumbs up. Happy coding!